Some of his friends call him Jeffrey po.
Apat na. In the face of the testimony of Colonel Asherto that Allan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Lin Wei Shon refer to one and the same person, what evidence can you offer to us to counter this testimony of Colonel Asherto?
I have my marriage contract that stated my only husband is Lin Wishong.
Okay.
Not Allan Lim, not another Wen Li. Sorry, what's...
Apart from the marriage contract, ma'am, what else can you offer us?
I only have our marriage contract with me here.
I mean, for a big-time businessman who owns a lot of real properties, not only in the Philippines, but even abroad, I'm sure that you have an ample documents to offer us so we can rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto that these three names refer to one and the same person, and that is your husband.
Maybe I can, if it is okay, the ECR card of my husband.
ACR?
Yes. And also, if possible, passport that my husband is Lin Wishong.
May we know how many passports does your husband have?
Only one.
Is it a Philippine passport or a Chinese passport?
Chinese passport po.
Chinese passport. So in no case did he obtain any Philippine passport?
No po.
What other documents, ma'am? We have here your marriage contract, the ACR, the Chinese passport. Maybe we can include also the birth certificate of your children?
Yes po.
How about the business permit?
Business permit, our companies po kasi is, ang mga business po namin is under the company's name.
Yes, can you please mention to us what business names are you using for your business operations?
Yeah, we have XRL.
XRL,
Yes po. We have Pile, na nandun po yung pangalan niya.
Pile,
Yes po, Pile Estate and Pile Holdings.
Pile Estate and Pile Holdings. And then,
Yan lang po yung may mga pangalan po siya na as I remember right now po.
Mr. Chair,
Pero
I
I'll check.
respectfully move that we request the submission of these documents from Ms. Rose Nonolin, the marriage contract, the ACR, the Chinese passport, the birth certificate of the children, and may I include the financial statement of XRL and the Pile Estate and the Pile Holdings, along with the articles of incorporation, ma'am?
Madam, it's okay po ba na makahingi po ng list ng mga hinihingi nyo sa akin para wala po akong makaligtaan?
Mr. Chair, we will be requesting the COMSEC to provide her the list of the documents that we will be requesting from Ms. Rose Nono Lin.
COMSEC, please provide the list to Ms. Lin.
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Congresswoman Luistro.
Yes, SDS Gonzales.
Mr. Chairman, Ma'am Rose Donolin, can we invite your husband para sa hearing na to? At kayo po ang magdala ng imbitasyon niya. Pwede niyo po isama rito yung husband niyo?
Mr. Chairman, right now po, out of the country po siya.
Alam po namin yon, sinabi mo sa akin kanina. Nasa Hong Kong siya.
Yes,
Pero
Mr.
kung
Chair.
i-invite po namin, kayo ang mag-hand carry ng imbitasyon at asawa niyo po yan, siguro po pwede niyo isama dito sa hearing yung husband niyo para once and for all, matanong po natin siya.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko po dalhin yung invitation. But I can't promise po na sasama po siya sa akin para po sa pagdinig dito.
Bakit po?
Ay, hindi ko pa po alam kung ano yung maging desisyon niya, Mr. Chair.
Palagay ko po kung may imbitasyon naman po itong Quadcom na to, palagay ko naman po pupunta. Kasi para once and for all malaman natin. Or, baka po kayo, Madam Rose Nonolin, hindi nyo alam kung ano pangalan ng husband nyo.
Mr. Chair, Lin Wishong po ang pangalan ng husband ko.
Ano po?
Lin Wishong.
Kaya nga, sa alam nyo, baka yun ang pangalan. Pero sa pagsasama nyo, ilang taon, ilang years na po kayo magkasama?
Almost 15 years.
Almost 15 years. So almost 15 years, hindi nyo po alam talaga ang pangalan ng asawa nyo.
Ang alam ko po na pangalan ng asawa ko, Mr. Chair, Lin Wishong po.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, we will just invite the husband of Madam Rose Nonolim. Ay, invited na ba?
Yes, he was invited previously, and I think for today's committee hearing, he was also invited.
Ipapadala natin sa kanya.
We will be acting on that invitation later when before the committee adjourns this committee hearing, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
So, please proceed.
I wish to further request Ms. Rose Nonolin that with respect to the Chinese passport, if this is similar to a Philippine passport, she submit not only the information page, but also the thumb mark page and the signature page, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, if Ms. Rose Nonolin is generous enough to provide information, may we hear from her as well? Ano po ba ang mga business establishments nyo abroad?
Mr. Chair, kung okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses namin abroad, eh hindi, or pwede ko ibigay sa inyo through writing?
Can you please at least cite the names of your business establishments abroad?
Mayroon po kaming taxi company sa Hong Kong.
May we know the name?
It's Plus Elegance po.
Plus Elegance. What else, ma'am?
Mr. Chair, it's okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses abroad po namin na hindi naman po konektado po sa pagdinig na ito? Hindi na po.
I understand, Ms. Rose. However, we're trying to help you rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto that these three names pertain to one and the same person. And I'm sure that you will be happiest to prove na hindi nga siya itong Allan Lim at itong Wen Le Shen. Tama po ba?
Madam Chair, magsasubmit naman po ako ng mga hiningin po ninyong documents. Pero ang hinihingi ko lang po ay sana yung mga properties namin abroad at businesses, hayaan na po natin po doon.
Yes,
For
I
our
understand.